Digital Earth Australia Land Cover is a freely available dataset of yearly maps that describe and classify the bush, cities, farms and wetlands that cover Australia's surface. It is generated using satellite imagery collected by the United States Geological Survey Landsat program. The Landsat satellites have been collecting imagery for decades, and DEA Land Cover includes maps of the Australian continent starting from 1988. The dataset follows the Land Cover classification scheme developed by the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization. We chose to use this system to develop a new land cover product for Australia because it was designed to be easily applied to any environment on Earth. That was important because Australia has a wide variety of diverse and extreme ecosystems. From the Nullarbor Plain to the Daintree Rainforest, from Kakadu to Kosciuszko, we needed a classification system for land cover that works equally well. Another strength of the Food and Agriculture Organisation Land Cover Classification System is that it is easy to understand and interpret for a wide range of uses and applications. DEA Land Cover simply maps the presence or absence of different biophysical features in the landscape, such as built surfaces, water and vegetation cover. Information about these different features combine to create a simple classification with 6 classes. And when more information is added about vegetation type, canopy cover and water seasonality, it produces a detailed classification with over 80 different classes. This imagery shows how land cover changed in the years following the 2014 bushfire in the Grampians region of Victoria. Areas of the eucalyptus forest were severely burnt, with all the canopy cover being removed. As a result, the land cover changes to the bare area class. In the following years, the vegetation recovers, first with herbaceous vegetation regrowing, before the forests recover. These 80+ classes create beautiful visualizations of Australia's environment over time and how it's changed. But DEA Land Cover can also be used to focus on specific parts of the environment that users are interested in. The land cover descriptor layers provide details of specific features like the percentage of vegetation cover and water seasonality. The lifeform layer shows the distribution of herbaceous and woody vegetation. At a local scale, this information can show remnant native vegetation in areas that are used for farming. This information could be used by ecologists to identify and plan wildlife corridors that provide native species with a way to navigate between areas of bushland. DEA Land Cover already contributes to the environmental economic accounts for Australia. If you want to see the bigger picture and make better decisions, you can access and download the data or work with it in our online virtual lab, the Digital Earth Australia Sandbox.